Hello, let me show you how you can fix that problem that apps will be downloaded when Wi-Fi is available. So we got a few tips. The first one, if you are downloading application from the Galaxy Store, you will have to open it, go to the menu, click on the settings, and make sure that you select this one, Auto Update Apps, and you have to get this one using Wi-Fi but also a mobile data. If it is not working and you are, for example, downloading from the Google Play Store, you have to actually do the same here. Go into the right upper corner, now go into the settings and make sure that you are gonna switch into the downloads over any network. Now, if it is not working, what you can do, basically open the settings on your phone, go to the connections. When you are connected to the specific Wi-Fi network, you have to click on its settings icon and click here on this icon, scroll all the way down for metered network, and you have to get this one, treat as unmetered. And now we can also simply restart your Wi-Fi. So turn it off, then turn it on back. But if you are downloading this over mobile data, you have to go for mobile data usage. You have to make sure that you turn off that mobile data saver for both of your SIM cards, or additionally, you can go all the way down, select General Management, go all the way down for reset and try to reset your mobile network settings, but also the Wi-Fi. And additionally, you can also reboot your phone. Let me know if it works.